Hi everyone, Mr. Steve back at it again, your favorite homeschool teacher. I figured today we would do a little bit of math together. We're going to work on what's known as the friends of 10. So 10 can be made up of different numbers in a whole variety of ways, and we're going to explore that today with some song and some conversation. So buckle up and get ready for the ride. So I'm going to ask that you guys use some of your imagination out there. So I have before me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 rocks. We're going to imagine that these rocks are actually birds in a nest. So we have 10 over here, okay? So there are 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. When I say fell out, I mean fell into another lovely nest, just not this nest. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 birds on this side, and 1 bird on that side. So 9 and 1 makes up 10. So we can write that down, that 9 and 1 both make up 10. So we have 9 now. There are 9 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 birds on this side and 2 birds on that side. So 8 and 2. We can totally say that 8 and 2 makes up what? You got it, 10. So 8 and 2. 8 and 2 make 10. There are 8 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. So now on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 birds. And on this side we've got 1, 2, 3. So we've got 7 and 3. So we can say 7 and 3 together make a total sum of 10. So let's write that down. 7 and 3. 7 and 3. There are 7 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. Now we've got 6 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 on one side and 4 on the other. So we can say in total 6 and 4 make up, you got it, 10. So I'm going to write that down. 6 and 4. We got 6 and 4. There are 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's even on both sides, and we can say that 5 and 5, when put together, make up, yeah, that's right, 10. So we got 5 and 5. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on this side. That's really interesting. 4 and 6. I feel like I've heard those numbers before. Let me just write this down. 4 and 6. Hey! Doesn't that kind of sound like 6 and 4? Well, if 6 and 4 makes 10, and 4 and 6 makes 10, does that mean it's pretty much the same thing? Yeah, absolutely. And that's going to come in handy later on. All right. There's 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. Now we've got 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. 3 glorious birds. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 3 and 7. 3 and 7 together make 10. Just gonna jot that down. 3 and 7. Now, I'm gonna stop there for a second and ask you to take a look at this with me. I'm noticing something very interesting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 9, 8. Hey, do you notice a pattern there? What about on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna give you a second. Just take a look at that and see if you can figure out what the pattern is. What's changing and by how much? You think you've got it? Okay. Wow. Let's see if you're right. 9, 8, 7, 6. It's going down by 1 every time. So the pattern is take away 1 every time. And on this side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going up, up by 1. Yeah, it's going up. So plus 1 every time. So we're going to add 1 on this side and take away 1 on that side. Cool, right? Let's keep it going. So we've got 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and 1 fell out. Now we've got 2 on this side and 8 on the other side. I know we did this one for sure because I remember from the beginning, and I can see it even upside down. 8 and 2. The only difference is it's flipped. 2 and 8. So we have 2 and 8. All right, let's keep it going. There are 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and 1 fell out. We're back at 1 on this side, and now we have 9 on this side. It's just like when we started off at the beginning, 9 and 1. Only have 1 and 9. And it totally follows our pattern, 1 and 9. Look at that. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 goes up on this side, it goes down on this side and then goes up on that side. So, there's 1 in the bed, and the little one said, good night, good night. He's got a pretty sweet deal, right? He managed to get them all out of the bed to keep it for himself. But luckily for these birds on this side, they're also sleeping in luxury. They got a nice nest set up, so don't worry about them, okay? But one thing I'm going to show you is that let's pretend there's nothing in this nest and they're all back in that nest together. You could also say that nothing, so 0 and 10 also makes 10. We'll write it up here on a different page. So we can say 0 and 10 also makes 10. Now, I'm going to challenge you to memorize these, and I think you can do it because they're really going to help you. And you could also use the friends of 10 to make up your own addition and subtraction questions. For example, we know that 8 and 2 is 10. So if you said 8 plus 2 equals, you set it up in your own equation, 8 plus 2, what do you think the answer is? I think you already know. 8 plus 2 equals 10. If you wanted to really go out there, you could even do a subtraction. Let's take 10 and let's take away 2. We can even use the birds. So we have 10 right here. We're going to take away 2, but using our friends of 10, I know that 8 and 2 make 10. So if I have 10, and I take away 2, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left. Let's check it too. If I take the 8 and I add 2, 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. That gives me 10. So for sure, 10 take away 2 is 8. So the challenge is for you to memorize your friends of 10 if you haven't already, and take all this information right here and make your own addition and subtraction questions and have fun with it. If you want, you can rewatch this video and memorize this song and sing it at home. Any way you do it, you could use your own rocks, you could use beans, you could use macaroni, anything you want to help you memorize and learn the friends of 10 will really help you in the future when you work on addition and subtraction, multiplication, and even division. But maybe you're not there yet, so don't worry about that. Anyways, I hope you had fun learning about the Friends of 10. I had a great time singing along with you. Yeah, have a great time. Au revoir. Bye.